Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I would like to show you how to display text in JavaScript. All you need is a program that can edit and run JavaScript. This is a simple command which is console.log and then in brackets put what you want to display. That is it. When you run it, it will display that text. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, consider subscribing to the channel. I've also just recently started a Patreon for people who want to support the channel. Being a patron gives access to GitHub files for every upload from now, and more depending on what tier you get. Thank you for watching and bye.